In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print all labels in Shippo. If you're tired of printing labels one by one, this walkthrough will show you the quick batch method. Start by signing in to your Shippo dashboard on the web. From there, head to the Shipments page, or the Orders page if that's where you manage your purchases. You'll see a list of shipments with a checkbox next to each one. Use those checkboxes to select the labels you want to print. If you want everything on the current page, click the checkbox at the top of the list to select all visible items in one click. Once you've made your selections, look toward the top of the page for the Download or Print button. Depending on your selection count, it may display something like Download Number Labels. Click that button. Shippo will package your selected labels and open them together in a PDF or a new browser window. This step is what saves you time, because you'll be printing all the selected labels at once instead of individually. When the PDF opens, use the print icon in the viewer or your browser's print command to send everything to your printer. Pick the correct printer for your setup, whether that's a thermal label printer or a standard desktop printer. For thermal printers, make sure the paper size is set to 4 by 6 inches, orientation is correct, scaling is at 100% or actual size, margins are set to none, and any headers or footers are turned off. If you're using a regular printer, choose the appropriate paper size, keep scaling at 100%, and verify that labels aren't being shrunk to fit, which can blur barcodes. If your list of shipments spans multiple pages in Shippo, repeat the selection process on each page to grab everything you need. You can also narrow down what you're printing by using filters like date ranges or status, making it easier to gather just the labels you want in a single batch. After printing, consider saving the generated PDF to your computer. That way, if you need to reprint later, you won't have to regenerate the file. And that's the entire process. By selecting your shipments with the checkboxes, using the Download or Print button, and printing from the PDF viewer, you can batch print quickly and consistently. Shippo's batch selection and download feature is designed to help you print many labels together, so you can move on to packing and shipping faster.